are you okay with with 4 jatis, all of you?
Yes, sir. I can't quite understand the fourth jati.
Sir.
One by one.
Excuse me, sir. This is Charanya here.
Yeah.
Third jati is Tirmanam Netiki. Where do Madri Solikutta Madri Nyabam, sir? Last Tirmanam third jati.
வேற மாதிரில ஒன்னு சொல்லி தெரியல நாங்க.
இல்ல அது வந்து I think கை இருக்குல நினைக்கிறேன் அதுல.
ஒரு சின்ன இல்ல அது வந்து எடிட் பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா நம்ம we have time. We don't have
ததிங்கிட
correct.
Did I do it differently?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. I hope you're confident. My bad.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I can't understand the fourth jati. The 30 metu part. Tadinginatu.
என்ன சொல்றாடியவ?
Sir, I can't understand the fourth jati. 30 metu part.
So, were you there yesterday, darling?
Yes, I was, but I couldn't understand yesterday because it was quite fast.
Okay, no, actually we did the last ending thrice in each time, right? Right and left, we did all 3 times together. So if you have yesterday's recording, go through that part because we did quite a number of times yesterday. Today we don't have time to finish the other things that we're supposed to do today. So sorry that we can't do that section right now. We need to finish the 5th jati and the second half of the Varnam.
You have the
It's
Zoom
okay.
today. Zoom session, we already sent it. Go through the Zoom session. Okay?
Sir, I didn't get the Zoom sessions.
Sir, Nandini here. Even I didn't get it, sir. I didn't get the Zoom
sessions. Can I send the email ID in the chat box?
Hold, sir, Swapna here. Let me talk. Sir, Swapna here. Sir, now let me talk. Okay, this is to all participants. I think Aishwarya already informed all the participants that we will be sending all the recordings and audio today after the session is done. We can, instead of sending it every day, after the weekend sessions are done, we will send it in one email rather than sending multiple emails. So please be patient. You will get it after today's session. All the audios, videos, everything you will get. So don't worry, okay?
I'm Sindhu. I have updated my email ID. I didn't get any emails, links also. I have updated my email ID in chat box. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shall we start the next jati? Chittaswaram?
Yes.
We didn't do the 5th one, sir. Yes, sir.
So all the YouTube link, all the videos, everything you will be getting today. Okay? Don't worry. So we already finished 4 jatis. Now we are going to see. Now we are going to do the Chittaswaram, okay? Okay, do you understand so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more time along with Kavya. 1, 2.
We do it slowly.
1, 2, 3, 4. tak dimi tak janu tak dimi tak janu ta dei dei ta dit dei dei ta ta dei dei ta dei dei ta tak dimi tak janu tak dimi tak janu ta dei dei ta dit dei dei ta ta dei dei ta dit dei dei ta. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set di di say ha say 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 di. One more time. Say ha say 1, 2, 3. Start. Say ha say di 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 say ha say di. Okay, all together from the beginning till this. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak di mi tak janu tak di mi tak janu ta ti ti ta ti ti ta ta ti ti ta ti 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 ta tak di mi tak janu tak di mi tak janu ta ti ti ta ti 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 ta ta ti ti ta ti 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 ta ti. Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Say hat, say hit, say hat, say hit, say say did say 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 did say say hat, say hit, say hat, say hit, say say did say say did tam.
Tom, thereafter. 1 minute.
Okay, try along with the music, all of you till this.
ஓங்கும் சங்க தமிழதம் இனிமை பெருமை போற்றிட புலமை. ஓங்கும் சங்க தமிழதம் இனிமை பெருமை போற்றிட புலமை. ஓங்கும் சங்க தமிழதம் இனிமை பெருமை போற்றிட புலமை. ஓங்கும் சங்க தமிழதம் சரி கம பத நீ சரி சனி தாபமாக மகரி கம பதாபம நீ தாப நீ சரி கரி சனி சகரி சனி ரி சாதா மத நித நிரி கரி கம பாமகரி நீ சரி கம பத நீ சரி சனி தாபமாக மகரி கம பதாபம நீ தாப நீ சரி கரி சனி சகரி சனி ரி சாதா மத நித நிரி கரி கம பாமகரி சா நீ சனி ரா தனி தாபம கரி பாமரா சத நிரி சா.
Okay, after that 1, 2, 3, 4. Say tam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say tam. 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 It's like a question and answer. You have to wait for takita, 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 takita. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Takita, 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 takita,
ga ga re ga ga re ga ma ga ma da ma da ma da ni da ni ri ga ri sa ri sa.
Okay. One more time, we will repeat from the beginning.
இவை பெற உலமை ஓமும் சங்க தமிழதம் இனிமை பெருமை போற்றிட புலமை ஓமும் சங்க தமிழதம் நீ சரி கம பத நீ சரி சனி தாப மக மகரி கம பதாப மப நீ தாப நீ சரி கரி சனி சகரி சனி ரி சாதா மத நீ த நீ ரி கரி கம ப மகரி நீ சரி கம பத நீ சரி சனி தாப மக மகரி கம பதாப மப நீ தாப நீ சரி கரி சனி சகரி சனி ரி சாதா மத நீ த நீ ரி கரி கம ப மகரி தா நீ ரி சனி ரா த நீ தா ப ம கரி ப ம ரா ச த நீ ரி சா சரி கா கரி கா ம க ம த ம ரா த ம ரா ம த நீ த நீ ரி கரி சா ரி சா க.
So far, you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. After that, takita, takita, takita.
Jaru word.
அது அதுக்கப்புறம்.
Okay, you're okay with the jaru word?
Yeah.
Double towards the left, and then you come forward and back.
After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Takita, 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 ta, dinginatum tam. So tadinginatum is misram. Then taka takita. Right. Then 2. Taka takita, 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 ta, dinginatum. Right. Okay. Then already the.
See?
Okay. So again 2. Takita, 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 ta, dinginatum. This is the calculation. Waiting room.
The message didn't come. Can you show the Takita part again?
I am yet to show it, darling. Give me 1 minute. One sir sends the value.
So this is the calculation I've shared in the chat box.
Okay, so
Takita, 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 all the 3 is Tisram and Tatinginatum is 7. And 5, Takka, takita, Kandam Karvai. And 2 is Ta, takita, 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 Ta, Dinginatum, again 5 Karvai. And Ta, takita, 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 Ta, Dinginatum, 5.
okay, so you're going to do tay tam ta 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 dhin ginna to tak 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 ta. Do only that, only towards the right side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Tay tam ta ta dhin ginna to tak tak ta. One more time. 1, 2, 3, start. Tay tam ta ta dhin ginna to tak tak ta. When you want to do it towards your left, you're just going to add a ta. Dit, tak kita, tum kita, ta, dhi, ginna, tum, tak kita. It's the same thing, but you're just going to add ta before the taiti tam. Can we try the left? Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Dit, taiti tam, tak kita, ta, dhi, ginna, tum, tak kita. One more time. Left. 5, Say, ta, dit, ta, ta, ding, din, da, to, da, ta, ta, kit, ta. All good? Right and left together. 5, 6, 7, go. Say, ta, ta, kit, ta, ta, ding, din, da, to, da, ta, ta, kit, ta. Dit, say, ta, dit, ta, ta, ding, din, da, to, da, ta, kit, ta. Third time, you're just going to do ta, ta, kita, di, kita, tum, kita, ta, di, kita, tum. That's all. Okay, so ta, di, ta, kita, and then mishram. Ta, di, kita, tum. Just the third time. 5, 6, 7, go. Di, ta, kita, di, kita, tum, kita, ta, di, kita, tum. All good? We'll do all the 3 times together now. 5, 6, 7, go. Say, tam, say, ta, kita, ta, di, to, da, ta, ta, kita, dit, say, tam, say, ta, dit, ta, ta, di, ginda, to, da, ka, ta, kita, ta, ta, kita, dit, kita, tum, kita, ta, di, ginda, to. Are we good?
Can we do the third again?
Yes, third. 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, ta, kita, dit, kita, tum, kita, ta, ding, ding. That's it.
Can you show us the hands for that?
Just 1 minute. Right hand Ramarachuda, left hand Katakamukam. Okay, so now we're going to do 3 takita and then takti again. 5, 6, 7, go. Dit, takita, dit, kita, tum, kita, ta, di, ginda, to. Okay? All good?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I could not see any Aramandi. Almost everybody standing and dancing. Why? Hello, I'm talking to you.
Yes.
I could see 99% of the dancers are standing. How she is sitting, Kavya? Just watch her. Mama. How she is sitting? This much. How you did Takita? Ta, takita, 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 ta, di, ginna, tum, ta. How she is sitting? Talk to me.
I have a ligament tear, so it won't be there in my left knee. I'm wearing my kneecap and
No. I don't want to listen to the problem. I'm talking in common. Okay, if you have problem, I'm not coming to you.
Tried almost.
I usually sit in Aramandi, but this time it is little difficult for me. It's paining very badly.
Okay.
Hi, sir. I'm Ashley. Did I sit Aramandi?
Okay, thank you so much. Wait. Listen to me. Okay, I'm just giving you instruction. Watch the video. Okay, as much as possible, sit nicely and learn. Okay, this class is not Adavu class. Okay, because many of 99% are standing. That is why I want to mention. If you have problem, okay, no worries.
So for those who are in injury, please don't try to do your Aramandi. That might lead to a big problem for you. Do the max that you can, okay?
Yeah. நாடகமாயென்றும் இளமை
So are you okay with the Chittaswaram?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Swaram, sir.
It's a Muktai Swaram, sir.
Chittaswaram, Muttaiswaram, everything is fine. Varnam, after fourth jati, this is called Chittaiswaram, not Muttaiswaram. Muttaiswaram, and that word I think they use in Carnatic music. Kanavarnam. In this Padavarnam, it's called Chittaiswaram. And also after the Charanam, it says Saranaswaram, Sarana Sahityam. Okay, clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for correcting me.
Excuse me, sir.
We'll go for
Actually,
the
excuse me, sir.
have your
Jati.
after some time, we'll start the jati. Okay. I will give you a break time. You can ask me.
கம்பனவன் காவியமாம் ராமனவன் குல்தாத அமுதம
Okay, fifth jati, just watch her. It's very easy jati. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sajjam takatarita. 2, 3, 4. Tajjam takatarita. Takajam takataritai. Tajjam takatari takajam takataritai diditai. Tai tai diditai. Tai 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 diditai. Tajjam takatarita. Takajam takataritai. Tajjam takatari takajam takatari tai diditai. Tai tai diditai. Tai 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 diditai. Tajjam takatarita. Takajam takataritai. Tajjam takatari takajam takatari tai diditai. Tai tai diditai. Tai 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 diditai. Very, very simple. I'll ask her to do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tajjam takatarita. Takajam takataritai. Tajjam takatari takajam takataritai diditai. Tai diditai. Tai 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 diditai. Tajjam takatarita. Takajam takataritai. Tajjam takatari takajam takataritai diditai. Tai tai diditai. Tai 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 diditai. Tajjam takatarita. Takajam takataritai. Tajjam takatari takajam takataritai diditai. Tai tai diditai. Tai 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 diditai.
Prinzla, any doubts until this?
Yes, it's perfect.
It's perfect.
Okay, let's do the,
Sir, is it 2 takadimis?
yes, 2 tagadi. Okay, let's do with the jati, the music.
அழகு மிகும் மன்னையே அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் மன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையா.
You understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very slow jati, right?
Slow.
Very, very slow.
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
No, in second half, we're actually doing it to the original speed. They haven't slowed it down. Okay?
It's beautiful, huh? I'm enjoying it. It's good.
Okay. Thank you.
I have a question. Sir, can we do it once more, sir?
We can do 2 more. Ready?
மன்னையே
takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum
அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் மன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே
tajum takadai ta takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum tajum takadai ta takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum tajum takadai ta takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum
அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் மன்னையே இயலிசை
One more time.
அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் மன்னையே
tajum takadai ta takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum tajum takadai ta takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum tajum takadai ta takadum takadai dai tajum takadai takadum takadai tadinginadum takadinginadum takadiku tadinginadum
அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் மன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு.
Okay, second half Aridhi after the Jati. So you have pause for Diridai. Tattom, Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom. Takita is pause.
Takita is going to
1,
pause.
2, 3, 4. Takita Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom. One more time.
So there's a lot of male dances here. So for all those male dances, you can hold it like that. And for girls, you can hold it. Okay?
Takita Diridai Tattom. Takita Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom. Male dancers will be one more.
Excuse me?
Boys can do this, please.
Could you please show me like the hand mudras for the poses?
Katika Mukam, you're going to step
Mukam.
right, you're going to step forward with your right leg. And then
Right leg.
left. And then right leg. In swastika.
Okay. Okay.
Akka, can you
Thank you.
our side and show us?
Sorry, can you be a little louder?
Can you please turn like our side?
Yeah, I'll turn it. Okay. So you're here now.
1, 2, 3, 4. Takita Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom.
You do one more time.
1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4. Takita Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom.
Are you clear? Yes, no.
Once more.
Yes.
Yes,
1, 2, 3, 4. Takita Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom, Diridai Tattom.
Okay, clear.
From here, you just want to step your right and then join and then jump. I'll do it again. From here, step your right forward, join your left, right left.
Okay.
Okay?
Clear.
Okay.
Okay, clear.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think we are going a super fast speed. Next is first Saranaswaram. Okay?
மிகும் அன்னையா பதனிதனிதழும் அமுதமழையே மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே
On this, she's doing tattaitaha, dittaitaha, 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 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattaitaha, dittaitaha, 3. After that, takkita, dikita, tam, tam. Okay. After that, takkita. Okay. Takka, takkita, tai, didai. Takka, takkita, she is jumping. One more time. 3, 4. Takka, takkita, tai, didai. So again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tattaitaha, tattaitaha, tai, takkita, dikita, tam, tam. Takka, takkita, tai, didai. Okay. So with the music.
எம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாய் எம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே மகரி கம பதமா பதனி தனி தரி நீ தனி தனி தபமா அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாய் எம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாய் எம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம்.
Okay, so we had a morning also we had a very interesting session just questioning you. How many of you know Atichudi?
I know, sir.
I know.
I know, sir. I know, sir.
Even I know. How many of you know?
Yes, sir. I know.
Right, mine also.
Sir, can you repeat that?
I know, sir.
Sir, I know, sir. Sir, I know.
Morning session we know.
No, see, you people are saying I know, I know, I know. Even I know. I also know. Okay.
Aram say.
Okay, so I'm going to randomly ask someone who said, just name yourself. Huh? Arya Pratap. Arya Pratap, you know Atichudi?
I don't, sir.
Just no problem. Okay, who knows Atichudi?
Sir, Gaurika.
Huh?
I know,
Samprita knows, sir. Samprita knows, sir.
Samprita, wait.
Kishani, I know.
Wait, one by one. Wait. Okay. Where is Samprita? Okay, Samprita, what is the first poem in Atichudi?
செய்ய விரும்பு, sir. அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு.
அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு. அறம் செய்ய விரும்புனா என்ன மீனிங் சொல்லு? அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு.
What we have, we should give. Sir, what we have, we should give for others, sir.
What? Tell me again.
Have a design.
தர்மம் செய்ய.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க, இதை போடுறேன். யாரு இல்ல? இந்து முகி ராமானு. சொல்லுங்க, இப்போ நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Have a desire to do good things.
Then
இது ஒண்ணுதான் சார் தெரியும்.
வேற யாரோ சொன்னாங்க. வாட் எவர் we have to give. யார் சொன்னது?
தர்மம் செய்ய.
சம்பிரதா தான் சொன்னீங்களா? ஓகே, கொரோனா பீரியட்ல என்ன வாட் எவர் யூ ஹேவ் என்ன கொடுத்தீங்க இது வரைக்கும்?
Give someone when you need. Give someone when you need. Like
this workshop itself is an example of Aram Seiya Virumbu, sir.
தர்மம் செய்ய விரும்பு.
யார் சொல்றது அது? தர்மம் செய்ய விரும்புன்னு.
ஹாஷினி சீசர்.
ஓகே. ஓகே, நீங்க என்ன சொன்னீங்கம்மா?
Sir, this workshop itself is an example, sir.
அப்படிலாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. நீங்க என்ன கொடுத்தீங்க கொரோனால?
சார் நிறைய பேருக்கு financially help பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
எனக்கு பண்ணவே இல்ல.
சார் தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா பண்ணிருப்பேன் சார்.
ஓகே, நாளைக்கு வந்து பண்ணிடுங்க என்ன?
கண்டிப்பா சார்.
Okay. Aram செய்ய விரும்பு. Aram செய்ய விரும்பு means dharmam. You have to give dharmam. Whatever you have in your, as a money, as a cloth, your knowledge, you have to give. That is the first poem in Atichuri. Okay. Understand? Aram செய்ய விரும்பு. Aram செய்ய.
Yes, sir.
Always you have to give. Whatever you have, give it. But that will come back to you somehow. Okay. If you are not giving, this will go. This will also go sometime. Automatically it will go. You know, you don't know that. Whatever you have, give. That is why I am giving my knowledge to everyone. Okay. Laya Tiram Balar. How many dances learned from me?
Sir, me, sir.
That is also in free of cost. Almost 32 weeks. Because of the Tamil Varnam, I stopped. Just giving a break. Anyway, Aram Sayya Birumbu. So just watch Kavya. Aram Sayya Birumbu Yena. Avai. Avai is the poet. Avai Sonnadellam Arindida Cheida. So that is the first stand. All of you do with her. Aram Sayya Birumbu Yena. Avai Sonnadellam. Avai is poet. Sonnadellam Arindida Cheida.
Always சொன்னதெல்லாம் use both of them, sorry.
Okay, with the song now.
So that comes twice.
செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழி.
Shall we try along with Kavya from the with the swaram and this hand now?
Okay. Yes, sir.
takajum takadari dai tajum takadari takajum takadari tading gedum takadari tading takajum takadari tading
செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே பமகரி கம பதமா பதனி தனி தனி நீ தனி தனி தபமா அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகுமிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் கரி கம கம பதமா தப.
Are you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we
Yes, sir.
next swaram, first swaram,
Second swaram.
now the second swaram, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
அது வந்து once is right diagonal அப்புறம் straight சார் இது out of 2 times.
2 times ரெண்டு சைடு ஒரே மாதிரி தான் பண்றா.
இதுவா?
இல்ல அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் அவை சொன்னது. சோ நீங்க ரைட் diagonal once அப்புறம் செகண்ட் டைம் ஸ்ட்ரைட் பண்றீங்களா?
Second time right.
அதே தான் பண்றோம்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
Okay, second swaram. 1
Record.
Read 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ni sari ni sani annaye semmozhiyayam mayalum gari gama gama padama da pada ni sari ni sani sari sari ga ri gama gari sani da pada ni ri sani da pama gari gari gama pama gari sari gama gamuda malaye azhagumigum annaye.
So nothing but the 8 term only she is doing takita takita. Slowly I'll ask her to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Takita takita ta jump. Takita takita ta jump. Takita takita ta jump. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
All of you dance with her. Don't sit and watch. 1, 2, 3, start. Takita takita ta jump. Takita takita ta jump. Takita takita ta jump. Ta. Okay, after that 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta jump. Tai tai.
Right hand, Katika Mukam, left hand, Alapadma.
1.
You want to move towards the right angle. Take your hand all the way up.
Ta jump.
1, 2,
3, start. Ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai tam. Takka ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai tam. Takka di mi ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai. This swaram also very easy swaram. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai tam. Di ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai tam. Ta di ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai tam. One more time from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, start. Takita takita ta jump. Takita takita ta jump. Takita takita ta jump. Ta jump. Tai 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 didi dai ta. Di ta tom. Tai 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 didi dai ta. Ta di ta tom. Tai 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 didi dai ta. So with the music. And within the mouse work on matter.
good. Charge. Oh. Charge it.
Charge body. We magala pani kam.
Any doubts until this the second swaram? I think it's Sharada and Joshnita. You raise your hand. Any doubts?
No, we have for attitude.
Oh, okay.
Akka, I had one question. Just in generally, when we're spinning so fast, I found out that I couldn't keep up with the music. So I was wondering how we should improve on that.
So basically practice it in first speed and then move on to the second speed and then you gradually get it. So just keep doing this again and again.
Okay, Akka.
Yeah. First try to move around and then try doing it in the same place. Okay, usually when you do this, you can either do that, that's a simpler way. If not, you can do it on your place.
Okay, Akka, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, how about the tai? This is the last one. கிருததர்க்கம் போடுறீங்க இல்லையா கிருததர்க்கம் போடுறீங்க இல்லையா அது ரெண்டுமே வந்து ஒன்னு ரைட் ஒன்னு லெஃப்ட் அந்த கிருததர்க்கம் போடும்போது தை திதை all on your right both also on the right is it தை இது பண்றீங்க இல்லையா
Sorry, எனக்கு நீங்க யார் பேசுறதுன்னு தெரியல. Just 1 minute. Mouse is stuck. Just 1 minute. Appa.
It's okay. Just last bit மட்டும் செய்யுங்களா? No problem. அந்த தைத்து ஜம்பிங் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு தக்கிட்ட பண்ணி தைத்து பண்றீங்க இல்லைங்களா?
ஆமா.
அது மட்டும் எந்த ரெண்டுமே ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு எடுக்கிறீங்களா? தை
ஒரே நிமிஷம். Give me 1 minute. Sorry.
என்னது? நான் அட்மிட் பண்ற வீடு நான்.
இல்ல.
நான் பண்றேன் காவியா.
Yeah. இப்போ சொல்லுங்க. Sorry. Can you repeat that again?
I'm Rajasundari here. கடைசியா லாஸ்டா வந்து இந்த கிருதாரிதம் போட்டீங்க இல்லையா? தை போட்டீங்க இல்லையா? ரைட் அண்ட் லெஃப்ட்க்கு. அது வந்து ரெண்டுக்குமே வந்து both side you're doing your right hand side is it?
The second time I'm starting with my left.
Left. Okay.
But this jump right, left and right.
Right, left and right. Okay.
ஒரு தடவை பின்னாடி திரும்பி ஆடு. 1 2 3
அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் ஆளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் மன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே பமகரி கமபதமா பதனி தனி சரி நீ தனி சனி தபமா அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என ஔவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் கரி கம கம பதமா பத நிரணி சரி நீ சனி சரி சரி கரி கம கரி சனி தபத நிரி சனி தப மகரி கரி கம பம கரி சரி கம அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் உழலும் யாழும் இனிமை உழந்தை மழலை இனிமை.
Okay, so next the Sahityam. I want to explain about the Sahityam. Okay, so not only Tamil, in our Dravidian languages, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannadam, Tulu, in all languages, we have a special letter called Ra. Okay, in Tamil, La, La, Ra, 3 letters. But this Ra is special in Tamil. In Malayalam also Ra is there. I think in Kannada also Ra is there. So commonly in Dravidian languages, the Ra is the special letter. Okay. So in Tamil, Ra, wherever we are using Tamil, most of the places we are using only for sweetest thing. And for example, Kudal. Kudal is flute. Yar is Veena. Veena is sweet. So Kudal, the Ra is coming. Yar, the Ra is coming. Kudandai, Kudandai is child, baby. Kudandai is sweet. Okay. And Madalai, the speech of the child is also sweet. Okay. Niral is shadow is cool. Okay. And Sing Kadal is your chalangai, your gungru, your the salangai, whatever you are using for, normally the girls will use. So sweet sound will come when the girls are walking with small salangai, and not the biggest one. Biggest one maatu salanga mari irukum. Jol jol jol. No, not that small one. Okay. So that is also very sweet to listen. Oh, this girl is coming. Okay. So you can find out with the small salangai. So I have mentioned this in this. Kudalum, Yadum, Inimai. Kudandai, Madalai. Kudandai is child. Kudandai, Madalai, Inimai. Kavya. So I have mentioned the speciality. So in Tamil, wherever the Ra is coming, only the sweetest thing, okay, we can mention. Yeah, start. Kudalum, Yalum, Veena, Inimai, sweet. Kudandai, Madalai, speech, Inimai. Kudaya, Padamum, Inimai. Padam is sweet. Okay, Kudaya Padamum. If you mix the fruit and eat with honey or something, it's very sweet. Kudaya Padamum, Inimai. Niral, shadow. Kulumai Tarum. Kulumai, it's very, very cold. Sing Kadal, your Gumru, Chalangai. Kadal, Konjidum. Then Telliya, Ragaram. Ra is only once. If you are not practicing, you cannot say Ra. Okay. Many people, I saw many people, they say Tamil. It's not Tamil. Tamil, Tamil. Okay, English. Okay. Tamil. It's a Tamil. Ra should come. So you have to practice, otherwise the Ra won't come. You have to twist your tongue and say.
So just.
So the Ra is like this. So the Ra letter will be like this.
So I want all of you to draw that Telliya Ragaram.
Telliya means very clear. Telliya Ragaram Palagida. So slowly she's going to do the hands now. All of you dance with her slowly. Kudalum, Yadum, Inimai. Kudandai, Madalai, Inimai. Kudaya, Padamum, Inimai. Niral, Kulumai Tarum, Singkadal, Konjidum, Telliya, Ragaram, Palagida. One more time. Kudalum, Yadum, Inimai. Kudandai, Madalai, Inimai. Kudaya, Padamum, Inimai. Nidal, Kulumai, Tarum, Singkadal, Inimai, Tara, Telliya, Ragaram, Palagida. Kudalum, Yadum, Inimai. Kudandai, Madalai, Inimai. Kudaya, Padamum, Inimai. Nidal, Kulumai, Tarum, Singkadal, Inimai, Tara, Telliya, Ragaram, Palagida. So with the music now.
செய்தரும் செய்ய விரும்பு என கௌவை சொன்னதெல்லாம் பகனிரணி தரி நீ தனி 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 கரி தனி தபரி தனி தப மகரி கரி கம பமகரி சரி கம கமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் மன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் அன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையாளும் உழலும் இனிமை உழந்தை மழலை இனிமை உழைய பழமும் இனிமை நிழல் குழுமை தரும் செங்கடலிசை குஞ்சிடும் வெள்ளிய ககரும் பழகிட உழலும் யாழும் இனிமை உழந்தை மழலை இனிமை உழைய பழமும் இனிமை நிழல் குழுமை தரும் செங்கடலிசை குஞ்சிடும் வெள்ளிய ககரும் பழகிட அமுதமழையே அழகு மிகும் மன்னையே செம்மொழியாயம்மையா.
Okay, so do you have any doubt in this?
Sir,
Beautiful lyrics.
Oh, thank you. So
sir, for the needle, what hasta is used for the needle?
Mayuram.
Mayuram for the tree.
Tree.
Thank you.
Aralam. You're holding Aralam for the breeze.
Okay.
First one is Mayuram.
Hamsasim.
No.
Aralam.
Sir, இதுக்கெல்லாம் தட்டுமெட்டு once more. இந்த ஆக்ஷன்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் தட்டுமெட்டு இருக்கா சார்?
எல்லா क्वेश्चनக்கும் உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் வரும். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா இருக்கணும். ஓகேயா? பொறுமையா இருந்தாலே எல்லாமே முடிஞ்சு போயிடும். நான் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு சொல்லாம எப்படி நம்ம ரெக்கார்டுக்கு போக போறோம்? For the record ஃபுல்லா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்து தான் அனுப்ப போறோம். கரெக்டா? ஓகே, இப்போ இங்க நம்ம ஒரு குட்டி இருக்குது. அது வந்து ரெண்டாவது ஜதி உங்களுக்கு பண்ணி காமிக்க போகுது பாருங்க. எல்லாத்துக்கும் கான்ஃபிடென்ட் ரெடியா? என்ன ஆரூர், நீ ரெடியா? ரெடியா? ஓகே.
வீணமை தமிழ் அன்னையே
Very good, very good. Haru, very nice, very nice. Keep it up. So எல்லாமே ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல தான் எல்லாம் கத்துக்கிட்டாரு. Only we started last week and this week we are continuing. Okay, so we started class yesterday, last week.
Sir, yesterday was the first session, sir.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்கு வந்துட்டு இந்த கிளாஸ் எடுத்து இன்னைக்கு நாளைக்கு மறந்து போயிடுச்சு. Only one class we learned. Only one class this girl learned. Very nice. We have very beautiful dancers in this group. Small kutti dancers. Akshat, Haru. Where are you? Samprata, Vaishnavi. Many dances are there. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to practice. You have 1 week. Okay, we almost completed all the Nirta part. Only the last Swaram is there. The Nirta part is the you have to learn. Other Nirta part is over. So what you have to do is practice daily. You have to practice. It's not easy to do the Guinness record. Remember this, the people almost 20-25 judges will be there to see your dancing. For each and every participant, one judge will be there. So every 50 participants, and they will observe whatever you are doing. If you're not doing nicely, then you will be disqualified. So it's in your hand. I'm teaching you very clearly. Okay, slowly and fast speed, everything I'm teaching, all the nuances we taught you, and you have the reference video, you have the YouTube link, you have the audio, everything. What else you need? You have to spend your time, sit and practice for another week. I will meet you on Saturday. Okay.
Sir, before we end the session, I have a couple of things to talk to the participants about. So when before they all exit, so this is I'm going to right now. So I will be sending all of you. Please check your chat box now. I'm going to send 2 YouTube link. It's going to be 2 different playlists. One will be all the videos that Kavya is doing that will be uploaded in that YouTube playlist. And the other playlist is where we are going to upload all the Zoom recordings. So these are, just 1 second. Rishika, enter, it's already there. So please try to copy paste this YouTube playlist and save it with you. I will also be emailing this. All right. And the second thing is, for the past 2 days, we have been getting so many different email IDs. One request to all participants that whatever email ID you used during the registration and you used to fill, and the one that you used in the Google form, please use that ID. We cannot accept 2-3 different IDs from the same participant. Each participant can have only one email ID. And we have been getting multiple, messages in the chat boxes saying that please add this email ID, please add this email ID. We will add the email ID if you'd like to, but you need to clarify that in the email, giving us the name in which you registered in the Google form and the email ID you use. Now, say, suppose you gave an ID to register and you want to use a different ID now, you need to let us know which ID you want to change. Otherwise, we cannot make any changes at this point. And then there are many kids who have joined through your dance teachers. I think there are lots of dancers from Sri Lanka where we have about 65 students, and we have many dancers from France, and we also have from other countries as well. And your teachers did not give us your email IDs. And I know there are few more students from California. There are about 25 to 30 students who joined through a teacher. Please contact your teachers for all the emails that we are sending, because we did not receive any student's email ID. So please do contact your teachers and get all the information from them, because we have been regularly emailing them everything. So please check with them. There is one participant who I want to clarify. I got an email. So let me check. Anvi Patnala, are you here? Anvi Patnala? Okay, I don't. Okay, Anvi, just tell your mom that I got her email, but we do not see your name in the registration form. We do not find your email address also. Can you please let us know how you got the Zoom session? How did you get the Zoom link?
My teacher sent it to my mom.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So whatever, if your teacher is taking care of you, please contact your teachers for all the files that we are sending. Okay. And who is your teacher's name? Because we don't see your name in the list. Who's your teacher?
Radhika Dinesh.
Radhika Dinesh. Okay, please ask her to email us all the name list of the students, okay?
Okay, thank you, Swapna.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Are there going to be practice sessions on Tuesdays and Wednesdays?
Yeah, let me explain.
Just a request from me for the Central European time. It was just mentioned last class. It's going to be only from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. IST. It is going to be difficult for people living in Europe. It's 3 a.m. for us. So is it possible that you can have one session in the evening for practice, either on Tuesdays or Wednesdays?
Gomati, we actually informed that we are going to have 2 different sessions, okay? Tuesday and Wednesday morning, 6:30 a.m. is session 1. Okay. We are also coming up with another session considering different time zones. So every Tuesday, Wednesday morning 6:30 a.m. will be the morning session. This is according to Indian time, and evening 7 p.m. we are having the second session, and this is the time that we can come up with. So
Evening it's there, it's fine, because yesterday when there was a discussion, there was just mention of timings only for the morning. That's why I wanted to know. If there is in the evening, then that's fine. Yeah.
We will send an email as well. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this session. Boring, very boring.
Enjoyed, sir.
Enjoyed, sir.
Enjoyed, sir.
Enjoyed, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hang on, let me talk. Okay, if you really enjoy this session, you have to share this your experience in the Facebook or Insta. Ask your parents to do that. Okay, I want to try this. You're continuously you're talking. Now you talk. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to see your feedback in the people should understand whatever we are doing. Okay.
Sir, can we share our practice video to you?
No videos. Just to share your experience in Insta or Facebook. In your Insta story. Okay. Thank you so much.
Already sent, sir.
Practice well. Next week we will see. And don't miss the practice session on Wednesday.
Thank you, sir. And
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Namaste, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
what time is the class session on Wednesday?
Huh?
What time is the class session on Wednesday?
No, just now she explained, right?
I think you.
We will send email. Don't worry. Okay. We will be sending email. You can send the email.
எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் மறுபடியும் ஆல்பபெட்ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க இவங்க. ஓகே.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
நன்றி sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Nandri, sir.
நன்றி.
Nandri, sir.
நன்றி.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next week. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.